Hi, hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to make mutton liver barbecue. First, let's wash the liver properly by 2 or 3 times. Also put some deep cuts on the liver so the masala will be absorbed properly. Add some turmeric powder. Then we have to wash it again by the turmeric powder. So if any germs is there, it will be removed by the turmeric. If you not subscribe my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button so you will get my video update notification. Okay, next we will make the masala. Add some turmeric powder, then add some salt, then add some Kashmiri chili powder so you will get good color. Then add some pepper powder, black pepper powder. Then add some coriander powder. Then add some cumin powder. If you like, so you can add some mutton masala also, so you will get good flavor. Also add some garam masala. Add some lemon juice. Add the ginger garlic paste. Add some curd or yogurt. Add some oil. I add sesame oil, it's good for the health. Then mix it well. If you need, you can add some water also. Then mix it well. After mix it properly, add the masala top of the liver, up and down. Every like 5 to 10 minutes you have to turn it both sides so it will be cooked properly. It will take around maybe half an hour. Also add some ghee or oil, whatever you wish. You can add some ghee or oil, so you will get some good flavor. See, it's now cooked well and the color is changed. My channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Then let's make the salad. So we are going to eat this one with salad and brown roti. So it's a healthy food recipe. So now the mutton liver barbecue is ready to eat.
Yes.